Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this app which called Google Duo. This app usually Android phone come pre-installed on it, but most of us we don't know how to use Google Duo on our Android smartphone, or we know it but we forget how to use it. So this Google Duo will give you some opportunity to use it, like you can use it for higher quality video calling, and also you can use this Google Duo to call video calling for over 32 people with it. And also there is a lot of things you can do with this Google Duo. And also the best feature of it, you can use this Google Duo, as you can see, on iPhone, iOS, and also on Android. So there is no difference of any platform, whether you use Android or iOS. So if your friends or family have this Google Duo app, they can both call each other without having any issues. And you can use it as much as you want. There is a lot of feature of it. So the way of register it is like the way you can register WhatsApp. Just enter your phone number and then put the code they send you. After you finish that, then you can click new video call or new call icon. Then you can see the number that already use Google Duo and you can call them. You can share your happiness together. Thank you for watching my video to the end. Please follow me and subscribe for more. Thank you, everybody.